Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm Casual Noob. I'll be showing you tips and tricks to use with rival guns. Don't forget to support my channel. Please like and subscribe. I beg you. Okay, anyway. We'll be testing out, and I'll be showing you other things. As you can see, I have med kits. I forgot to tell you guys that a long time ago. And I have many more things. Anyway. I'll make this video short as I can. Okay, let's go. Oh no, sniper. So something you want to do with sniper sometimes is that you can take your time and try to conserve and not waste ammunition. The shield take up all the hits. They're gonna try and encircle me, so oh, GG's. Likely it's gonna be really hard, so Mad Kitty, go! Oh gosh, bro. Bro, what? I was behind the wall, though. There's possible chance that they're using auto assist, but I don't want to be that guy, so I'll distract the 50. Yo! Are you running, bro? No offense, no. Wait, how is that offensive? I swear I'm forgetting, bro. Nice. They probably locked in. Oh! Oh. Anyway, I want to run away. Kitty! Nice, Kitty. Oh, thank you, Kitty. You're so nice. Yo! How's he hitting me? I'm in the corner, bro. Dang, bro. Oh, bro. Okay, bro. Okay. My crossbow is kind of defying the speed of this game because like it's so fast. Nice. Okay. Nice. It's unfair though that yellow left. And you may call me a shield spammer, but you know, it's how we play these days. At least I don't run away. Sorry, that's what she said. Actually, yeah, not true. No, I'm bad at rapping. Let me just make you waste your bullets real quick, sir. Toodaloo-aloo-aloo. Oh my god. Oh, GG. I don't know. I'm eating chips, by the way. Let me just make you waste your bullets real quick. Oh, you're gonna flare gun me, aren't you? Alright, flare me. What the... GG's for this round, but we might lose still, maybe. Sorry that I'm eating chips. They're really good, man. Oh no, I fell! Ah, goody! Ah! Gee, oh. Let me just waste your ammo, sir. See, if you were actually using a sniper, you wouldn't shoot at the shield. That'll be a waste of bullets. So theoretically, they could possibly be using auto shoot. I said theoretically, by the way. So they probably wouldn't. And that's what most of them say, though. Anyway, I will be going in arena this time. So things you can do with the RPG and these. So with the RPG, you can boost yourself by like shooting at a wall like this, or at the floor, even though the floor doesn't give you much. See, let me try and do a big boost. Yeah, like that. Wait, hold on. Let me do something cool. And then you can do that, like to your enemy. With shield, you can like do a bunch of stuff. With jump pad, you can do things. Kind of. I don't know what you'd really do with jump pad, but you can do this. Which is kind of fun when you're bored. It's actually pretty kind of fun. And then you can get some walls with it. Like, see how far I went without the boost. This is a special video, so I will be showing you what you can do with another gun. Shotgun. And random. So shotgun. I don't recommend that you just use all bullets like this, because then it will take you extra time to reload. So instead of doing that, you just instead of firing the last shot, you do that. You can also fire while reloading. Look. It's kind of pretty cool. Yeah, but just when instead of 7, you can use 6 bullets. Just leave 1. Anyway, that's a quick way to reload shotgun as well. Anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, please. I bet.